Let's make some homemade date sugar. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. Today, I'm showing you how to make date sugar or powder from scratch. Date sugar is a natural sweetener made from dried dates, which is packed with fiber and minerals. So let's get started. Pour some dried dates into a bowl. Add some salt. Add enough water and wash your dates very well to remove all the dirt. Wash them thoroughly 2 to 3 times to get rid of any sand. Remember not to let your dates soak in water for too long, otherwise it will get soft. Now pour the dates onto a paper towel and pat them dry to remove all the excess water. You can also use a napkin. Once we are done with that, we will move on to removing all the seeds from the dates. Cut the dates into two and remove the seeds. Once we are done removing all the seeds, we will cut them into pieces. Next, transfer them onto a baking tray. We will dry the dates in an oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure you don't burn your dates. Once they are dried, leave it to cool completely. At this point, the dates are really hard. Next, we will grind them. Make sure you are using a strong grinder or blender. Otherwise, you will find it difficult grinding. You can also pound them in a mortar before grinding. Once we are done grinding, we will sieve it for a finer powder. Store your dates powder in an airtight container, preferably in the fridge. So this dates powder can be used as a sugar substitute in baking, smoothies and other recipes. If you enjoyed this recipe, then check out the date paste playlist next. You will enjoy them. The links are in the description box below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.